If you want to make a juicy and delicious healthy burger, then watch this video because I'm going to share with you how to make an absolutely drool-worthy burger. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious healthy burger. It is completely drool-worthy. It tastes exactly how you want a burger to taste. It's just so juicy and delicious, and I'm gonna share with you guys exactly how I make it because it's oh so delicious. If you'd like to subscribe, we make lots of delicious healthy recipes on this channel. Let's go ahead and make that burger. So to make our delicious burger, I'm starting off with some grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. It's important to buy grass-fed meat because you end up consuming what the animal consumes, so the more quality that they consume ends up going into your body. Grass-fed meat is also fewer in calories, has more healthy fats, and is loaded with CLA, which is good for your heart and helps to balance your blood sugar. I'm adding in some garlic, salt, and pepper, keeping it really simple and just breaking it up with a fork. The great thing is that you don't actually need to add breadcrumbs or an egg to your normal patties. I find with grass-fed meat, they have so much flavor without it. All you have to do is add your spices, mash it up, and then you can form your patties. So once that is all done, you can go ahead and heat up your pan to about medium-high heat. Take your ground meat and you're gonna make a ball with your hands and then shape it. Keep in mind that when it does cook, it does get a little bit smaller than the shape that you make it as it starts to render the fat down. So whatever size you make it, it will shrink a little bit, so keep that in mind. And then put that down on your pan. And I like to cook mine for about 3.5 minutes per side. You don't want to overcook it because you don't want it to get dry. Once the first side is cooked, this is my trick. I like to put on my dairy-free cheese and then I put a lid on the top, and the steam helps to melt the cheese so that you're not biting into not melted cheese on your burger, because who wants that? While that's cooking, we can go ahead and assemble our toppings in our bun. I'm using lettuce bun, but I also really like to use like paleo buns I find at my grocery store. But I know a lot of you don't have access to paleo buns at your everyday grocery store. So I wanted to show you guys a great lettuce bun that I do, I would say most of the time. 4 out of 5 times I do a lettuce bun, and then once in a while I'll do one of those paleo buns. I'm slicing up some tomato, some red onion, but you can obviously do your favorite toppings. You can do normal onion, caramelized onion, cooked mushrooms. Really have fun with your toppings. You can do avocado, you can do hot sauce. It's all about like the toppings I find when you add it to your burger when you don't have a normal traditional bun. So assemble it, and then you have this wonderfully delicious, juicy burger that is full of great healthy fats. So now you know how to make a delicious, healthy burger that is totally drool-worthy, juicy, and delicious. If you guys want more healthy recipes, I am going to leave my healthy playlist right here that you can check out after this video. Tons more delicious recipes in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I love sharing all these healthy recipes with you. It brings me so much joy, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.